the Shahi Mughal S'mores. So first of all, everything must be big. You start with the big marshmallow. I think I think one stick should be fine. You take it across, just ensure it goes right through. Don't squidge it, just give it space to move and be itself. Like Sheikh Shakil. So there are a number of methods you have. Because what you want is as it touches the biscuit, you want to squeeze it and it needs to just start flattening out. The texture needs to be right, everything needs to be right. Okay, this is kind of done. So we come over, can everyone see? So the light over here, you put it on top of the chocolate digestive. That's the only non-Mughal part of this. Okay, it is kind of squidgy, as you can see. You need to try and get the middle. Now, can everyone see this part?
Yeah.
Then comes the Mughal part. You need a touch of green cardamom powder. Okay, this is part of the Mughal, not the Ottoman side, the Mughal.
Yes.
So maybe a little titch of...
That is not a tit.
That is...
Yeah. Almond powder.
Oh wow.
Crushed almond powder.
It's a gourmet s'more.
Like this, okay.
Salt bae.
Yeah, and then we have rose petals, edible rose petals.
Oh my god.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
You have to like.
This
blow
is
it in
the
air as
just
well.
look at that already.
That's beautiful, isn't it? They do that in Medina now, don't they?
And then, if you wish to get a bit of more sweeter Mughal influence, you get what's called the mewa. Have you heard of that? Mewa? Raisins. Okay. I'd say put about 3, but it's up to you. And then the royal Mughal ingredient is saffron, za'faran. If that almost all went out. So you just need a little, very small. Yeah.
Expensive.
That is not tiny, Ustadh.
Ustada, and now watch this bit. This is the final part. Can everyone watch this? You get this wrong, and it's all wrong. Okay. You must place down in a way that it doesn't break. Oh gosh, the biscuit, or take the biscuit. And here we are.
Go.
This is the Shahi Mughal S'mores.
Wow.
How does everyone... Take this side.
Oh my god.
That's not a good sign. It's the green card powder.
Yeah.
A bit too much.
Have some more.